Hi, welcome back. The problem today is about evaluating the sum of number sequence. Give try before see my solution. Now, let's get started. Okay, we just put the x equal to the sum as the problem, that is 3 over 1 multiplied by 2 square plus 5 over 2 multiplied by 3 square, and continue like this until 40 and 49 over 20, 24 multiplied by 20, 25 square. Okay, we have to evaluate s here. Okay, as the problem you can see that on the top this is 3 and on the bottom this is the product of 1 and 2. Same for the second item is 5 and 2 and 3. This means the rules of this number sequence is on the denominator, that is n, multiplied by n plus 1, and on the numerator, that is n plus 1. So this will equal to 2n plus 1 over n multiply n plus 1 square. Okay, so the next is we will analyze this one. From this expression, 2n plus 1 over n multiply n plus 1 square, it will equal to 1 over n square minus 1 over n plus 1 square. Then you can use this and apply to the expression. So x will be equal to 1 over 1 square minus 1 over 2 square plus 1 over 2 square plus minus 1 over 3 square, and to the last item, this is 1 over 20, 24 square minus 1 over 20, 25 square. Then the final answer would be 1 minus 1 over 20, 25 square. So this is the final answer of this problem. That's all. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.